What if I told you that AI could save you hours every single week? That it could write your emails, edit your videos, design your thumbnails, even help you brainstorm YouTube content ideas without you lifting a finger? Well, that's not a dream anymore, it's real. And today I'm going to show you the top 5 AI tools that every YouTuber should be using right now to save time, grow faster, and make your creative journey much easier. So grab a seat, because this list is packed with tools that could completely change how you create content. Hello everyone, and welcome to Creator Shortcut. Yes, this channel is brand new, and I'm super excited to bring you creative, educative, and meaningful content that will actually help you grow your YouTube channel faster. Since we're just getting started, your support means the world. So please subscribe, like, share, drop a comment, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so as to be notified of new videos from this channel. It'll really help this channel grow while I keep bringing you shortcut strategies and powerful AI tools to make your YouTube journey easier. Let's start with the king of them all, ChatGPT. This AI is like your ultimate writing assistant. Imagine you're stuck writing a video script, replying to long comments, or coming up with fresh video ideas. Instead of spending hours brainstorming, ChatGPT can give you a full script draft, title ideas, and even captions in seconds. The best part? You can make it sound exactly like you, just tweak its tone, give it examples of your style, and boom, you have a digital co-writer who never runs out of ideas. Tool 2, Pictory AI. Now let's talk about Pictory AI. If writing isn't your problem, but turning those words into videos is, then Pictory is your secret weapon. Here's how it works. You give it a script or even a blog post, and it automatically creates a video with stock footage, animation, and even background music. Imagine not having to record hours of footage yourself. You just type, and Pictory does the heavy lifting. For faceless YouTubers or anyone who wants to speed up video production, this tool is a lifesaver. Tool 3, Canva AI. Next up is one of my personal favorites, Canva AI. We all know Canva for designing, but with its AI-powered features, it takes design to the next level. Thumbnails, channel banners, social media posts, you name it. Here's the thing, a thumbnail can make or break your video's success. Canva's AI tools can automatically generate layouts, suggest font combinations, and even remove image backgrounds in one click. No more struggling with Photoshop for hours. With Canva AI, you get professional-looking thumbnails in minutes, and trust me, that alone can skyrocket your click-through rate. Tool 4, Marina AI Nano Banana. Now let's talk about something for the true AI explorers. Marina AI Nano Banana. This isn't just about creating content. It's about experimenting with the latest AI language models before they even become mainstream. With Marina AI, you can test, compare, and interact with cutting-edge models side by side. Want to see how different AIs answer the same question? Curious which one gives the smartest or most creative response? This platform lets you do that. For creators, this is a hidden gem. You can explore what's next in AI, play with new features before everyone else, and even find unique ways to apply them to your content, whether that's script writing, brainstorming, or research. Tool 5, Descript. Finally, let's talk about editing, something that eats up more time than almost anything else. That's where Descript comes in. Descript is an AI-powered video and audio editor that completely changes the game. Here's the magic. Instead of scrubbing through hours of footage, you just edit your video like a document. Delete a sentence from the transcript and it's gone from the video. Messed up a line while recording? No worries. Descript's AI can clone your voice, let you fix mistakes without re-recording. For podcasters and YouTubers, this means faster edits, cleaner videos, and way less stress. So there you have it, 5 AI tools that can seriously upgrade your YouTube game. 1. ChatGPT, your scriptwriter and idea generator. 2. Pictory AI, turns text into videos. 3. Canva AI designs thumbnails that actually get clicks. 4. Marina AI Nano Banana lets you test and explore the latest AI models. 5. Descript makes editing simple, fast, and fun. The truth is, YouTube is getting more competitive every day, and the creators who win are the ones who use tools like these to work smarter, not harder. So which of these AI tools are you excited to try? First, drop your answer in the comments. I'd love to hear. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more AI tips, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss out. Until next time, keep creating, keep growing, and let AI do the heavy lifting for you.